Hello, my name is Ella Orsman, and today we're going to talk about Fibonacci numbers. Fibonacci numbers are the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence, which is a sequence where every number after the first two numbers is the sum of the preceding two numbers. Therefore, the sequence goes 1, 1, 2, the sum of 1 and 1, 3, the sum of 2 and 1, 5, the sum of 3 and 2, and so on. Or, in an equation, f sub n equals f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2. Unlike just any integer sequence, the Fibonacci sequence has an interesting history and a weird habit of showing up in everything from nature to other mathematical concepts. The Fibonacci sequence got its name in the early 1200s when Leonardo of Pisa, also known as Fibonacci, used it to describe the breeding habits of an idealized rabbit population in his book Liber Abaci. In an ideal, though biologically impossible, rabbit world, the number of pairs of rabbits is always a Fibonacci number n months after a single pair of rabbits begins breeding, with each female giving birth to two rabbits and rabbits beginning to breed when they are 2 months old. The ratio of successive Fibonacci numbers, f sub n over f sub n minus 1, is also an approximation of the golden ratio, phi. Phi equals approximately 1.618, and for example, the eighth number of the Fibonacci sequence, 21, divided by the seventh, 13, equals 1.615. This enables one to draw an approximation of the golden spiral with Fibonacci numbers, drawing curves corner to corner in squares whose sides are Fibonacci numbers, called aptly the Fibonacci spiral. The Fibonacci sequence also shows up in nature, where the number of petals a flower has is often a Fibonacci number. This is particularly evident with daisies. And some flowers, such as poppies, which have 4 petals, don't have a Fibonacci number of petals but have a Lucas number of petals, a sequence that follows the same rule as Fibonacci. A number is the sum of the previous two numbers. However, the Lucas sequence begins 1, 3 instead of 1, 1. But back to nature. The number of spirals on the bottom of pine cones and between the seeds of sunflowers is a Fibonacci number, and the spirals the other way around are an adjacent Fibonacci number. The Fibonacci sequence also shows up if you draw diagonal lines across Pascal's triangle and add the numbers the line goes through together. From pine cones to Pascal's triangle, the Fibonacci sequence is a mathematical phenomenon both useful to understanding the world and just interesting unto itself. Thanks for watching!